When you think of the city's toll from violence, your mind probably doesn't go to Tennessee, but apparently that's where some pretty dangerous weapons were coming from, some 400 this year alone.
As a result of this investigation, the supply chain that was bringing illegal guns from Tennessee here to Baltimore has been put out of business, and several suspects who were involved in smuggling guns into Baltimore are in custody.
Baltimore's violent year comes to an end with word that a gun pipeline has been paralyzed.
To now know that Tennessee has played such a vital role in the violence that Baltimore has experienced this year is information that we can use to better public safety in 2016. Is it a morale booster? Yes.
Authorities revealed that it was a direct road from the state of Tennessee to the city of Baltimore, and that an undercover operation earlier this month took 88 weapons like these off the streets, including a fully automatic machine gun and silencers.
This criminal organization was responsible for transporting and selling over 400 weapons trafficked from Tennessee onto the streets of Baltimore throughout 2015.
Police say those arrested were illegal retailers getting ready to unload the merchandise to Baltimore citizens.
When we talk about guns and we talk about how easily guns can be transported around this nation because every state differs in its laws, it's really just a time to collectively commit to make sense of it all and go forward into 2016.
If you remember, gun manufacturer Beretta left Maryland for Tennessee after stricter gun laws were passed in this state, and the NRA held its 2015 convention in Tennessee. But it is 7 men from our area who now face federal gun charges. They hail from Odenton, Glen Burnie, Laurel, and Baltimore. Live in the newsroom, Deborah Weiner, WBAL TV 11 News.